Hi everyone, and welcome back. I'm very excited to share with you today my next design team package from CountryCraft Creations. I received PhotoPlay's Tulla and Norbert's Lucky Charm. So, gnomes everywhere, rainbows, happiness. I couldn't be happier or more thrilled to work with this. So let's just jump right in. Let me show you. Look at this cute, actually I should do it this way. This cute little trim. It's gorgeous orange color with the little baby pom-poms. Love that. And I also got that in this really pretty yellow. And my favorite, seam binding. Then I also got this. I'm really happy or really excited to try. So first I thought it was yarn because right, it looks like yarn, but I think it's kind of a rope or like a jute. It's really pretty, gorgeous green. And then the star of the show are these little dudes. They appear to be, well, they're wood and they're laser cut. These cute little gnomes. I can't wait to paper piece these. I'm really excited. I know exactly what I'm going to do with these. And then I got my chipboard for my mini album or my folio. At this point, I think it's going to be a folio, but I might change it into a mini album. We'll see. Move that out of the way. So, look at the colors on this paper. They are just rich and gorgeous. I love them. So this is the cut apart sheet. It's called Luck of the Irish. Oh, can't see that. Luck of the Irish. So we have some 3x4s, March 17. And look at little Norbert sliding down his rainbow. Over here, he's on his pot of gold. And then here's the two of them, Norbert and, what's her name? Tulla and Norbert. I always want to call her Layla. I don't know why. They're holding hands. Oh, cute. You are my lucky charm. Norbert's playing the bagpipes. And this says Irish for the day. Erin go bra. And then wishing you the luck of the Irish. Those are the 3x4s. And then there's two 4x6s. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day. And then this says Kiss Me, I'm Irish. And then it says, in the background, Luck of the Irish, Shake Your Shamrocks. Some really cute stuff. So that is the front of Luck of the Irish. Let me scoot this over. This is the back. Now this is showing through closer to a black, but it is a really nice dark green. And you can see the little leprechaun hats and the rainbows. This page is called 4-leaf clover. So the background really is black and the greens just jump off the page. They're just beautiful. And the back of that, the back of 4-leaf clover, just, I love it. What more do I need to say? Look at the green plaid. I don't know if this is technically buffalo check. I don't know. I'm going to call it whatever I want to call it, but it's beautiful. So this one is called Tartan. It's a really nice dark rich green, and again it looks, well, actually you can see there that it looks green. It's tone on tone with the polka dots. This is the back. This is definitely mini buffalo plaid. I'm in heaven over this one because I love buffalo plaid, buffalo check, whatever you want to call it. This one is Lucky Charm for obvious reasons. It's a really nice, I wouldn't call it sage green, but it's a lighter green in the background with pots of gold, leprechaun hats, rainbows, horseshoes, lucky clovers. It reminds me of that cereal commercial. A mug of beer. This also makes me very happy. Oh, love me a stripe. This one is called Bagpipes. And there's 3 and 4-leaf clovers on there. This is the back of the bagpipes. Look at that. Beautiful. Then this one, love this one. So you can see the color, see the blue against the white. That's just it's just adorable. So you have Norbert sitting on, I'm assuming that's a beer barrel, holding his four-leaf clover. Him standing there being patriotic, playing the bagpipes. There's Tulla looking pretty. There's horseshoes and gold coins. Just adorable. I love it. And then this is the back side. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry, that one was called Kiss Me. This one is the back side. It's beautiful orange color. And then I was really excited to get this cardstock because I don't believe, I know I've worked with the black cards. It's called My Cardstock. Tammy carries this in Country Craft Creations. It's different than the artisan cardstock, but I mean, it has a similar feel. It's almost like it's a linen-y texture, but kind of not. It's hard to explain it. But this is a beautiful blue. It's called Madras. So I've got a couple of those. Then here's this other beautiful orange color. This one has a bit of a shimmer to it. So can you see that in the light there? Like right over here? You can see the shimmer. It's really pretty. This is called Bittersweet. And then this is a gorgeous green. This is St. Patrick's Day green to me. It is called Mint Julep. All right, and then some people's favorite part of a paper collection are the stickers. So again, this is called Tulla and Norbert's Lucky Charm. And I just love this, him sliding down the rainbow. The bagpipes, Lucky, I'm looking over a four-leaf clover, Kiss Me, a beer, Think Green, I Love Irish, You're My Lucky Charm, Shake Your Shamrocks, love it. Irish Lass, Full of Sass. I have a sister-in-law that reminds me of. She knows who she is. I'm Not Irish, Kiss Me Anyway. Well, I am part Irish. I'm like 1/3 Irish. And then all the cute sticker sentiments, I guess you call them. You're My Lucky Charm, Erin Go Bruh, Tomfoolery, Pinch Me, Pot of Gold, Lucky, Cheers, Feeling Lucky, Shake Your Shamrocks, Top of the Morning. You know, all that stuff. All the cute little sayings. I won't read them all to you. But you can see them all there. And then I love this big long sticker border. Super cute. So that is the paper collection. And so I haven't, like I said, I haven't decided if I was going to do a folio or a mini album yet. There'll be some 3D involved. So stay tuned for the tutorial and the project walkthrough. Sorry. Thank you very much for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye.